Alright, so look here. A lot of bees right here. I may try to shake those off into the split. Make sure the queen's not stuck under there. That'd be something else, wouldn't it? Alright. So having that notch in the front helps the draft suck air straight from the front, and it'll come up through this hole and go out this way, so that air circulating will come up like a chimney effect. So what if you have it face down? Air will come in and go more toward the front and escape on the underside of that instead. And you want air circulating. Helps the bees regulate their hive better. There's a spider. There's a small hive beetle. I need to come out here and put traps on them. Alright, so I'll remove that. Let me make sure there's not a queen on here. Yeah, it was not super effective, but you got you a few more in there. Alright, I'm going to slide this just right here. Maybe those bees will move over. I'm not sure what to think about this. I probably could use this as a queen bank if there's a lot of bees in here. I didn't put a honey super or a queen excluder right there. There's probably some brood up in here on these frames. And if they are, that's great. Alright guys, honey Jefe here. Look at that. Not bad, not bad.